Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades, and today I'm going to do, the weekly Sunday stock talk. If I don't have videos up this week, it's because it's the first week of college and I moved into the new place, so it may be a little hectic. But I'm going to try to get a video out every day, as planned, because I do have videos planned out. But anyways, just Sunday stock talk. So we're going to go over the top stocks here, and here we go. So we're going to start with SPY as always, because when we look into these big name blue chip stocks, it's heavily affected by SPY, which is the ETF of the S&P 500 index. The futures market, which opened Sunday at about 4 p.m. I believe. I could be wrong, but it's been open for a little while. If you want to see the futures for the S&P 500 index, it's /ES on the Thinkorswim platform. And if we go into the day one minute, we can see that since it's opened at 3. Yes, since it's opened at 3, we have had a run up from the continuous day. So even though SPY is not moving up at the moment because the market is not open, the futures market is, and it's moving up. So far we can anticipate that SPY will open higher unless something crazy happens overnight. But let's go back to SPY. I just wanted to mention that. So if we go to the 4-hour chart and we do some analysis, we have broken above the previous highs, right? So this puts us in bull territory, which means that we are now uptrending. We are confirmed. We are making new highs. We may see some more momentum to the upside. Hopefully soon we stop seeing all this consolidation and more of a trending market, considering we are out of what is known as this correction phase. We are now above it, and we definitely want to see some trend happening. For instance, we want to see some trending like this. Trending like this is what I want to see for 2 reasons. Why? Because it's going to help the movement of these other stocks that we watch, and it's going to make it easier for me, if I'm going to be in college, to swing trade. The reason why I don't swing trade now is because the market is bipolar. It goes up and down overnight throughout the day because of news. But if we start trending, then it'll be a lot easier to swing trade. So if we're looking at this, I really have no predictions for SPY, except maybe a quick run up and just test this level. We haven't really tested this level exactly. We came up, we pushed through it, then we bounced, and now we're pushing above it. So I would love to see a push above it to around the 290 level. It's just not that I have any fib projections, but I just, 290 is a whole number. I would like to see it push up to a whole number, and then a pull back to test the support, and then going up from there and trending. So I can't give you much on SPY, but just watch it. Tesla, I heard news from the group chat from Matt. Tesla due to staying public. So there was a tweet, I can tell you where, somewhere right here, where it's went up a lot. Where Elon Musk decided, he was like, I'm gonna take the stock to this price, and it's gonna go private, and no one else can invest. When a stock goes private, it means that companies can no longer buy, or not companies, but people can no longer buy the stock to invest in it. So of course that surge pushed a bunch of people to buy it before it before it closed on the market. However, it's going to stay public, which is like duh. So since it's going to stay public, we should not see a rush for people to buy this because it's going to be here a long time. So what is happening right now is we are in a strong consolidation zone right here, with it in between 327 and in between right here, which is 315. That looks like. So in between 327 and 315, this is our range. It looks like we are more on the trending to the upside because of our lows. They are getting higher. But just watch from there. We want to see a break above one of these levels. If it breaks above this, then we're looking more to the upside and look above 340. If we break below this, then we're looking to the downside below 300. Netflix, back at it again. Alright, so after earnings, we started crashing here, and we saw some nice movement. But now with SPY making all-time highs, we're seeing it push to the upside, which is amazing, because we just broke this previous high here, right? which is great news. So I would love, this is obviously our next resistance level here. It's not going to be straight, which is going to bug me. Oh, not too bad actually. So we're going to look. I would love to see it push up to here and either pass through it, or more likely come through here, test, and go this. Again, this all depends on what SPY will do. If SPY continues to make all-time highs, then we will continue to trend up. However, a healthy movement for stock when uptrending is to go up and break through a resistance level, come back down, test it as a support, and then continue going. That's just what a healthy stock movement does. Yeah, that's what we're looking on. Again, if it just crashes, then this will be our next support. Facebook. Blah, 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 blah. Huge sell-off, so we're staying in between this range between 185 and 170. It looks like we may break to the upside above 175 and get it to 185. And we are having higher lows, so that's good. I can definitely see it pull back up to here. I can see it form a little consolidation here and then a break up to the upside. So watch for the break above 175.50 for the continuation for 185. MU. We're right here at a crucial level, so watch for either a break above 51 or 49 for that. Apple, ooh, all-time highs here. We're getting close. Last time I remember, I was like, as we're getting here, we're going to come back to this pullback, and that's exactly what we did. Too close. Oh, too far. Okay. So we're still validating this support. We were in this down channel, we bounced to the support, and now we are holding this trend line because if we look at our higher lows. So I just think we're going to follow this trend line back up to this high, especially if SPY continues to make all-time highs. My computer's heating up. So that's what we see on Apple. NVIDIA is trending up to make all-time highs. Watch for a pullback to test this support level at 267, and then a continuation upward. Baidu here, watch for a break above 226.50 for continuation up. If not, we're going to see a drop below 208, but most likely that will not happen as that is a strong support, but still something to watch. AMD, running. You know, a stock cannot run forever. Come on, guys. Look at Kron. Do not buy Kron. Don't even get me started. But we're pushing up here. So if we want to look for weakness, since this is super fast, look for the weakness in the 15-minute chart. So these highs are what is going to be counted as our support and resistance levels here. So basically, if we keep setting these new resistance or new support levels as we go up, then we're doing great and whatever. But again, it can't run forever. So basically, just make sure that it does not drop below these previous supports and resistance that it's putting in. If it starts to break below these, then we know we have hit our top and we're starting to retrace to find our support. So just make sure if you're in and you're like, all right, this is the new high, I'm going to get in above the next high, just make sure that this is your stop. Amazon, back to the 4-hour chart. We're still trending up. We're having a hard time making new highs here. We're consolidating in between this range. So just watch this range here for either a breakout to test 1,860 or higher. GE, BAC, nothing much. BABA, we are respecting these trend lines here. Expect to pull back to 330. BABA, what's going on here? Just a bunch of bad stuff going on with Chinese stocks and earnings pushed up on BABA and then got just rejected and nailed. So we're going to look for it pull back down to the next support, which will be around 165, 170, and then we'll see from there. Square trending up, ABT range, CMI range, McDonald's, nothing much. I don't know why I have these on here. QQQ. Basically, we're just looking for it to set all-time highs because we're kind of setting up for crap. What did I click? Time and sells. We're setting up here for a top with the like that. So just watch for the breakout there. Microsoft, obviously our highs are getting lower, which means we are not making all-time highs. And then our bottom is staying around the same level. So watch for a trade in between this range. Watch for it to go up here and either break above or get rejected and have a pullback down. Walmart, we're having, okay, I was like, what is that manipulation? You can't manipulate a big stock like Walmart. It was earnings. So we're going to have a sell-off. We got to look for our next support, and history leaves clues. So the history of the stock is this will be our next support. So next support will be either, watch out for the consolidation here. Okay, so watch for this range here. This will be important for Walmart. KROS. Oh, Michael Kors. Don't even know what this is. Let's take a look at the trade tab. I've never seen the stock. Volume way too low. Not even going to cover it. Volume is low. All right, guys. That is the Sunday Stock Talk. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next video, and good luck trading this week.